CSV interview questions and answers. Beginner means advanced. Introduction. CSV, comma-separated values, is a simple file format used to store tabular data in plain text form. CSV files are widely used for data exchange, spreadsheets, database imports-exports, analytics, ETL processing, reporting systems. CSV provides CIRC, lightweight structure, CIRC, human readability, CIRC, portability, CIRC, compatibility across systems. 1 to 20. CSV basics. What is CSV? CSV stands for comma-separated values. What is CSV used for? Storing tabular data, data transfer, spreadsheet import-export. What does a CSV file contain? Rows and columns represented as plain text. What is CSV file extension? .csv. Simple CSV example. ID, name, age. 1. John 25. 2. Mary 30. Why is CSV popular? Simple format. Lightweight. Widely supported. What separates values in CSV? Usually commas. Can CSV use delimiters other than commas? Yes, such as semicolons or tabs. What is delimiter in CSV? Characters separating values. What is header row? First row containing column names. Does CSV require headers? No, but headers are commonly used. What is row in CSV? Single record of data. Data field category. What is plain text format? Human readable text without binary encoding. What applications support CSV? Check. Excel, Google Sheets, databases, programming languages. Tab separated values format. CSV versus TSV. CSV uses commas. TSV uses tabs. What is quoting in CSV? Wrapping values with double quotes. Why use quotes in CSV? Handle commas and special characters safely. Quoted CSV example. 1. John Smith, 25, 21 to 40. CSV parsing and file handling. What is CSV parsing? Reading CSV data programmatically. Python CSV reading example. Import CSV Python CSV reader example. With open data.csv as file. Reader equals csv.reader file. Java CSV reading commonly uses Open CSV, Apache Commons CSV, Java CSV example. Buffered reader BR is new buffered reader, new file reader data.csv. What is CSV writer? Component writing CSV data. Python CSV writer example. Writer.writer row. John 25. What is escaping in CSV? Handling special characters safely. What happens if commas exist inside values? Values are wrapped in quotes. What is new line handling in CSV? Managing row separation properly. What encoding is commonly used in CSV? UTF-8, UTF-ASCII. What is UTF-8 encoding? Unicode text encoding standard. CSV file with invalid structure. Common CSV parsing issues, missing columns, extra delimiters, encoding problems. What is CSV import? Loading CSV data into application database. Writing application data into CSV. What is schema validation? Verifying CSV structure correctness. What is CSV normalization? Standardizing CSV format consistency. What is large CSV processing? Handling high-volume CSV files efficiently. Why avoid loading huge CSV files fully into memory? Prevent memory exhaustion. 41 to 70. CSV in databases and data engineering. What databases support CSV import-export? MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite, SQL Server, MySQL CSV import example. Load data in file, data.csv. PostgreSQL CSV import example. Copy users from data.csv, CSV header. Extract, transform, load workflow. Why are CSV files common in ETL? Capital portability, capital simplicity, capital interoperability. What is data transformation? Modifying data before loading. Removing invalid or inconsistent data. What is CSV delimiter issue? Incorrect delimiter causing parsing errors. What is CSV injection? Spreadsheet formula injection vulnerability. Example CSV injection risk equals CMD. How to prevent CSV injection. Check sanitize input, escape formulas, validate exports. What is streaming CSV processing? Reading files incrementally, instead of full loading. What is batch CSV processing? Processing rows in chunks. What is CSV indexing? Optimizing access to large CSV datasets. What is compressed CSV? CSV stored using compression formats. Common compressed formats? Zip, gzip. What is CSV serialization? Converting objects into CSV format. What is deserialization? Converting CSV into objects. What is pandas in Python? Data analysis library. Pandas CSV example. Import pandas as PD. Pandas read CSV example. df equals PD read CSV data.csv. Pandas write CSV example. df.tocsv out.csv. What is data frame? Tabular in-memory data structure. What is missing value handling? Managing empty null CSV fields. Common missing value representations? Check. Null, empty string, nan. What is CSV schema evolution? Managing changing CSV structures over time. What is delimiter auto-detection? Automatically identifying separators. What is column mapping? Matching CSV columns to database application fields. What is duplicate row handling? Detecting repeated records. What is CSV audit logging? Tracking imports/exports for monitoring. 71 to 100. Advanced CSV concepts and best practices. What is RFC 4180? Standard specification for CSV format. What are limitations of CSV? Click. No data types. No nested structures. Limited metadata. CSV versus JSON. CSV is tabular. JSON supports hierarchical data. CSV versus XML. CSV is lightweight. XML supports structured metadata. CSV is plain text. Excel supports formatting and formulas. What is delimiter collision? Delimiter appearing inside field values. What is quoted field parsing? Correct handling of quoted values. What is multi-line CSV field? Field spanning multiple lines. What is CSV escaping rule? Double quotes escaped using double quotes. Escaped quote example. He said, hello. What is CSV compression optimization? Reducing file storage size. What is parallel CSV processing? Processing multiple file chunks simultaneously. What is memory-efficient CSV parsing? Streaming or chunked parsing. What is CSV metadata? Additional information about CSV structure. What is CSV dialect? Specific formatting variation. Common CSV interview topics. Parsing, delimiters, import, export, encoding, ETL. Common CSV problems? Malformed rows, encoding mismatches, delimiter conflicts, best practices for CSV handling, : validate structure, handle encoding properly, sanitize inputs. What is BOM in CSV? Byte order mark for encoding detection. What is Unicode support in CSV? Handling multilingual characters. What is OpenCSV? Java library for CSV handling. What is Apache Common CSV? Java CSV parsing library. What is lazy CSV loading? Loading rows only when needed. What is CSV schema validation tool? Tool verifying file structure. What is cloud CSV processing? Handling CSV files in cloud platforms. What is CSV analytics workflow? Processing CSV for reporting and analysis. How to become strong in CSV processing. Check. Practice parsing large files. Check. Learn ETL workflows. Check. Understand encoding and validation. Biggest CSV interview concept? Reliable tabular data exchange and processing. Key CSV interview focus? Parsing, validation, ETL, encoding, and performance optimization. Why is CSV still widely used? Simple, portable, lightweight, and universally supported format. CSV interviews focus on capital CSV structure and parsing, capital delimiters and quoting, capital import-export workflows, capital ETL processing, capital encoding and Unicode, capital large file handling, capital database integration, capital data validation. Key idea. Strong CSV processing developers understand efficient data parsing, validation, ETL workflows, and scalable file handling techniques.